Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you the normal face unlock with the faster face recognition test. The first I will do this with the help of the stopwatch, and now I'll just unlock the device the first 5 times with the regular face unlock, and then I'll enable the faster recognition, and the second 5 times we'll check the faster recognition feature. So let's start. I'll just try if I'm sitting in a good position, and as can you see, I just can unlock the device with my face. So let's start. Just 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 6 seconds. So that's what the normal face unlock, and now we'll enable the faster recognition here, as can you see. So don't forget the 8 and 6, and let's try the second unlock method. So 8 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. So as can you see, the difference is 2 seconds, and that's just was really visible when I just unlock the device. That's you can see the difference that in faster recognition, that the faster recognition method works more faster than the regular face unlock. So I suggest you to use the faster face recognition on if you just use the unlock methods on your Samsung Galaxy M23. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.